Compared to the on-prem world, you're not pulling together lots of data, normalizing data, and then getting information. You have information about your posture on GCP at the push of your button.
Hi, I'm Christian Gorke and I'm the Chief Information Security Officer of Deutsche Börse.
My name is Florian Rodeit. I'm the Head of Information Security, Governance and Risk Management at Deutsche Börse. Deutsche Börse is the German stock exchange operator.
Our mission is to build trust into the markets of today and tomorrow, and to build the foundation and background of the financial markets and market operations of Europe and beyond. We have over 30, 40, 50 different regulations hitting us at the same time, and we need to make sure to understand all of them, adopt them and report them. We have also a huge responsibility to everyone because we are the background and the backbone of the financial market. There are billions and billions of transactions happening every day, every second. And so we are operating on a global scale.
In addition to that, it's not only about managing the security posture on the go, but also being able at all times to show to our regulators that we are compliant with our requirements, because our business is a highly regulated business and everything needs to be evidenced.
If you look at our current setup on Google Cloud, we have not a Google Cloud project, but actually hundreds of thousands of them. So we need to make sure that all of them underlie and follow the same rules. That's why we need this automation and security command center. Our plan is to have an overview of all of the assets on Google Cloud. And that's one of the advantages why we're using cloud, because thanks to cloud we can see everything what's happening on the cloud, so meaning seeing every asset, and then for every asset we get the risk posture. We are using SEC to get an overview of all the different risk exposures that we have on the cloud, so to see all the risk, to understand all the risk, to manage all the risk, and then to find ways to remediate the risk. A great benefit of SEC is that we can connect it to our existing systems, for example Jira or ServiceNow. So whenever something happens on Google Cloud, we get immediately notified by that and can act immediately.
The vision that we get from the CEO is 100% automated control plane. We really hope that the further development of the Audit Manager and the wider SEC will help us to get to this 100%.
If you look into the regulation is all written text, and humans interpret this written text in different format. However, if a machine can read it, then you can have truth, and this is something what we can do with Audit Manager. We can define our rules as code, put it into Audit Manager, and repeat it's our rules, and we get the feedback out of that if we are compliant or not. With Google Cloud, Deutsche Börse can build a more secure, scalable and standardized way to provide services for a secure and trusted market for today and tomorrow.